Sales is a very important pillar of any organization. So it's not just about some luck with some of the clients or some pushy tactics. It's about delivering the real value, building the trust, and also understanding what they really want and what they're looking for. So in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the tips that can really help you become a good salesperson. It's not just product knowledge, but it's much more beyond that. So let's get started. Tip number 1, be an active listener. As a salesperson, you should understand your prospect really well. You should research about them, understand what their pain points are, and why they are coming to you, and why only you can help them solve their problems. So it's really important to listen to them. When you listen to them, you'll be able to connect the dots. You'll be able to understand what is happening in their organization in which you can help and make it better for them. And then, in that way, you can formulate your product or service and customize these if required and propose to them as a solution. Tip number 2, being empathetic. Now, whenever you talk to your customer, always think from their point of view as well. Think of yourself being in their shoes and then try to understand how your services or products can be of really useful to them. If it is useful, then pitch in the right way. Being empathetic helps you not being pushy, understand what they require, and actually deliver the true value that they might need. Being empathetic helps you connect on a human level, making it easier to connect and then build long-term relationships with each other. You don't know when that prospect can turn into a real customer for you, right? So build rapport, build some good, trustable relationships with them so that they see value in you and your product and don't be pushy. Number 3, product knowledge. That you need to have complete end-to-end product knowledge about what you're selling. If it's a service, if it's a product, if it's customizable or not, and to what extent. You need to know everything. And that's what makes a good salesperson. When questions are asked, like why only you, why not this other company, which is providing the same services or products like you, you'll be able to answer. Because of course, you know your product better, you know your USP, and then you are able to close the deal. Number 4, being confident. When you're talking to the client, be confident. But yes, don't be overconfident or arrogant. Don't be pushy. Explain about your product or service in a confident way and assure them of the true value that they can get using your product. Be genuine and don't be pushy. Number 5, be persistent. As a salesperson, you know that the connect that you're building with this prospect is going to be long term. Maybe today they don't need your product or service, but who knows when, because it's just a small world, right? So who knows when they can connect with you and they can bond well and they can be a part of something that you're doing. So be persistent, be connected, and look for any lead or prospect as a long-term partner in your game. So being a good salesperson isn't about some tricks, shortcuts, or just some sweet talk. It's about understanding the customer, the lead, and why they're coming to you. It's about building the relationships. It's about building the trust. And then being persistent in talking to them, connecting with them, and meeting them. So that's all. Please do this and let me know how it helps with your sales. Thank you.